Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Own a piece of the rock in the most sought after area of Drax, St. Anne. Located in the gated community of Drax Country Club, this fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow is for sale. A family oriented place to call home. Enjoy the parks, gym, children's playground, swimming pool and tennis court. The land area of this house is 15,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 275,000 or Jamaican $42.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.